Hello, I'm Pratyusha. India's great, diverse country in theme of tradition, culture, religion, race, language, festivals and much more. It is said that unity in diversity which appropriately alongside the diversity of India. So, in this video, I will describe some points about Indian diversity. Meaning of diversity. Diversity means understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing their individual differences. These differences can be along the dimensions of race, ethnicity, gender, and sexual orientation. Each individual in an organization brings with them a diverse set of perspectives, work, and life experiences, as well as religions and cultural differences. The culture of India refers to the way of life. India's languages, dance, music, food, and customs differ from place to place within this country. India is a country of diversity. Different ways in which people pray, different ways in which people get married, different ways in which people dress, different ways in which people greet each other, different ways in which people cook rice. Understanding diversity. Understanding diversity is critical to understanding society because pattern of social changes and social structure are influenced by diverse group experiences. Diversity includes the shaping of social institutions by different social factors, the formation of groups and individuals' identity, process of social change. Diversity in India. India is a vast country and is considered as subcontinent for its vastness. This subcontinent extending from the Himalaya to the sea is called Bharatvarsha or the land or Bharat. There we can see some more effective diversity. First, geographical diversity. Geographically, India can be divided into four regions. The first is the Himalayan region or the northern mountains wall that extend from Kashmir in the west to Assam in the east. This region includes Kashmir, Kangra, Tehri, Kumaon, Nepal, Sikkim and Bhutan. The second region is the Great and Big Northern Plains, which are provided with water by the river like Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Second, social diversity. The people differ considerably in social habits. They differ in their dresses, customs, food habits and manners. Different kinds of festivals are observed in different parts of the country by different categories of peoples. Third, language diversity. The people of India speak different languages, more than 200 different dialects and languages are used in the vast subcontinent. The principal languages of India are Sanskrit, Hindi, Bengali, Odia, Assamese, Gujarati, Marathi, Sindhi, Urdu, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kashmiri and Kannada. Fourth, religious diversity. There are also to be found an equal variety of religions. All the world religions are found here. Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam and Christianity all have their sects and the subcontinents. Examples of Indian diversity. Indian dress, Indian festival, Indian languages, Indian sweets, Indian dance, Indian foods. You can download this presentation in this given link in the description. Thank you.